The Hidden Truth About Acid Reflux, a guide on how it affects us and its prevention measures. What is acid reflux and why is it so dangerous? Acid reflux is caused by the stomach's contents backed up into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation. This can lead to heartburn, chest pain, coughing up mucus, and trouble swallowing. It's caused by eating large meals or eating too many sugary foods. Acid reflux is also triggered by smoking cigarettes or drinking alcohol. Remember to subscribe, like, and share to our channel. The most common cause of acid reflux is gastrointestinal reflux disease, otherwise known as Gerd, which can be caused by obesity, pregnancy, smoking, alcohol consumption, and some types of medications. The more serious form of acid reflux is esophagitis, which can lead to cancer if left untreated. Acid reflux is not always a pleasant experience. The symptoms associated can be fatal. Acid reflux is a condition that affects millions of people in the United States and across the world. It's caused by acid in the stomach coming back up in the throat, causing heartburn and other unpleasant symptoms. The word acid has two meanings. One is when something burns or corrodes, and the other is when something has a sour taste or strong smell. Some pretty interesting stuff to note is the severity and frequency of heartburn vary from person to person. It can be caused by varied reasons. Number 1. Food. Eating too quickly, lying down right after eating, or too much fatty or spicy foods. Number 2. Emotions. Anxiety or depression, the pattern from person to person and how it affects us will be treated accordingly. Number 3. Lifestyle. Joint injuries, overusing medication or medication that causes acid reflux. Number 4. Clothing. Tight clothing around the waist area could trigger problems beginning with blood circulations. Number 5. Physical activity. Exercising for prolonged periods of time without properly hydrating can lead to serious problems down the road. Here is some important information you should note. Lifestyle changes like losing weight or wearing loose clothing around your waist can help reduce acid reflux symptoms. A person suffering from acid reflux should start looking into their diet plans or follow a low histamine diet plan, which includes taking this particular amino acid called L-histidine to heal the stomach lining, which has been damaged due to gastritis. There are many different causes of this condition, and some people are more at risk than others. However, there are easy natural remedies that can help with this condition. It is important to note that you should consult your doctor if you have been suffering from this for a long time or if it is really bothering you. What is the best diet for people with acid reflux? The best diet for people with acid reflux is centered around foods that are known to help reduce pain and discomfort. The two main types of diets are low acid and alkaline diets. A low acid GERD sufferer should avoid acidic foods like oranges, tomatoes, grapefruit, lemons, currants, red plums, basil leaves, and garlic. How to prevent GERD attacks in the first place. With heartburn being a typical experience, it is wise to adopt a lifestyle of educating yourself about what is happening to you. There are many factors that can influence the severity of this condition, including lifestyle, diet, other medical conditions, and other environmental factors. However, the most important thing to do to prevent GERD attacks, in the first place, is to eat healthier and follow a healthier lifestyle. It's also important to learn what you should avoid doing in order to make sure that you do not trigger an attack. Unfortunately, there are hidden truths about acid reflux. There are many different ways to deal with acid reflux. The best way to deal with acid reflux is to find out what triggers it and avoid it. For example, for some people, spicy food, coffee, or alcohol could be a trigger, so they have to go without these things in order to avoid heartburn. Hard facts. If you want to expand your life and be free from these arising issues, then there is something on your part that needs to be dealt with. For other people, the trigger is unknown, so they have to try a lot of different things in order to find out what works best for them. The three main natural remedies that can help get rid of acid reflux are apple cider vinegar, honey, and lemon water. Take apple cider vinegar as an example. Case studies have shown that it will reduce the pH level and make your stomach environment more alkaline, which will make you less susceptible to heartburn and other digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome. Home remedies and ways to treat acid reflux. Home remedies for acid reflux. The following are some of the most common home remedies for acid reflux: ginger tea, blackstrap molasses, apple cider vinegar, baking soda mixed with water or juice to neutralize stomach acids. Oregon oil. This should be taken in small doses, preferably under a doctor's supervision. How does stress impact your risk of developing acid reflux? It can lead to a multitude of problems such as acid reflux, but it can be managed, and stress relief for stomach pain is possible. The word stress describes a situation when you feel pressure from an outside source. If you have too much stress in your life, your body starts to release hormones that cause the increase in stomach acid production and the digestive muscles to contract. This constricting effect can cause heartburn and other problems in the gut. In order to prevent this from happening, you should look at the following tips. Keep hydrated with lots of water. Eat healthy foods that is easy for digesting. Avoid spicy foods. Learn how to relax and take stressful thinking off your mind. Have a healthy day. Question that I will ask is, which of these are you going to implement? Let us know in the comments below.